Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a USD invoice in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally and enable multi-currency features. This is crucial for handling foreign transactions. Next, create a new currency for United States dollars, setting its formal name and decimal places. Finally, define the standard exchange rate for the USD against your base currency. This ensures accurate conversion for all your international dealings. Once your currency is set up, the next step is to create a dedicated sales ledger for your USD transactions. Go to Create, then Ledger, and name it appropriately, perhaps USD Sales. Make sure to group this ledger under Sales Accounts. Critically, select United States dollars as the currency for this specific ledger. This ensures that all entries made through it are automatically recorded in USD. Now, let's record an actual USD sales invoice. From the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers and select Sales as the voucher type. Choose your party's ledger and then select the USD sales ledger you just created. Enter the item details, quantity, and rate. Tally Prime will automatically display the amount in United States dollars, along with the equivalent in your base currency. Finally, after recording your invoice, you'll want to view and print it. Go to the day book or sales register to locate your newly created USD invoice. Open it to review all the details, ensuring that the amounts are correctly displayed in United States dollars. Once confirmed, you can proceed to print the invoice. Tally Prime will generate a professional document reflecting the foreign currency transaction accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.